Welcome students. In this video we will be solving exercise 4.2 question 1 and question 2. So question 1 says which one of the following options is true and why, and the equation given to us is y equal to 3x plus 5. The options given are first one, a unique solution, second, only two solutions, and third option is infinitely many solutions. So what this question actually says is we are given a linear equation and we are asked to find out whether this linear equation gives us a unique solution, that means only one solution is possible, only two solutions, whether only two solutions are possible, that means we will get two values, and infinitely many solutions, that is the last option, which says that for any value of x you will get different values of y. Okay, so which means when you keep changing the value of x, you will get a different value of y, and you can keep putting different values of x to get different values of y. That is what it means by infinitely many solutions. So let us try solving. What we'll do is we'll have to assume some value of either y or x. So if we assume a value of y, we'll get x, and if we assume a value of x, we'll get y. Now so what we'll do is, since y is given equal to 3x plus 5, we'll assume values, different values of x, to see which option is true in this case. Okay, so let us begin. We'll begin with taking x equal to 0. That is like the easiest option to take. So we'll say at x equal to 0, let's see what we get. So y equal to 3x plus 5, right? So instead of x we put 0 plus 5, and then we'll get the y equal to 3 into 0 is 0 plus 5, which means the value of y is 5. Now we've established one value. Let us see if for a different value of x, if we get another solution. So if we get another solution of y, it will mean that we have more than one solution. So we rule out the first option. Let's take x equal to 1. So at x equal to 1, y equal to, instead of x we put 1 plus 5. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 5, and we'll get y equal to 8, which means that now we have got for two different values of x, two different values of y, which means that we rule out the first option. So it is definitely not a unique solution. We can have two solutions or more than that. So now to prove, to find out whether we have got more than two solutions, that is infinitely many solutions, we'll have to assume another value of x. So at this time what I'll do is I'll take x equal to minus 1. We've been taking positive. We'll take minus 1 and we'll see what we get. Y equal to 3 into minus 1 instead of x plus 5. Y equal to 3 into minus 1 gives us minus 3 plus 5, which means plus 5 minus 3 gives us positive 2. So now we see that we took a different value of x and we got a different value of y, which means that there are more than two solutions. So we can safely assume that there are infinitely many solutions, and we know that linear equation in two variables usually gives us infinitely many solutions. So this was problem was just to prove that point, which says linear equations in two variables have infinitely many solutions along a straight line. And this is an equation of a straight line. If you notice, what was the equation of, say, general equation of a straight line? Y equal to mx plus c, and this is exactly in the same form, where y equal to 3x plus 5 we are given, where m can be said equal to 3 and c equal to 5. Okay, and we had said when we in our first video that linear equation of a straight line has infinitely many solutions. Okay, so the justification is this, this one is true, this statement is true, infinitely many solutions. And because we know that this is actually an equation of a straight line, and straight lines have infinitely many solutions, and you can if you want you can try solving a few more, and still for different values of x you'll get different values of y. So this option is Correct. With that we solve the question number 1. Our next question says write 4 solutions for each of the following equations, which means we will be given a linear equation and we'll have to find 4 different solutions, which means for different values of x or different values of y, we get different values of the other variable, which would be either x or y depending on what value you have assumed for x or y. Let us begin with the first problem, which says 2x plus y equal to 7. What I'll do is, just like the previous one, to make it easier, I'll just rearrange this thing, wherein I'll take 2x on the other side, okay, and we'll be left on the left hand side, we'll be left with just y, and since I'm taking 2x on the other side of the equal to sign, it will, from positive, it will turn negative. So we have y equal to 7 minus 2x. Now all we need to do is assume different values of x to get different values of y, and we need 4 different solutions. So we'll say at first one will be x equal to 0. So for this we'll get y equal to 7 minus 2. Instead of x we put 0, we get y equal to 7 minus 2 into 0 gives us 0. So that means y equal to 7. Next I'll take x equal to 1. Okay, now y equal to 7 minus 2. Instead of x 1, y equal to 7 minus 2 into 1 is 2, and we get y equal to 5. Next I'll take x equal to 2, and y equal to 7 minus 2 into 2, y equal to 7 minus 2 into 2 is 4. So y equal to 7 minus 4 is 3. And now we've got 3 values, 3 solutions. Let us take another one. I'll take this time x equal to 3. So y equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. Y equal to 7 minus 2 into 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So in this way we have got 4 solutions of the linear equation 2x plus y equal to 7 by substituting 4 different by taking 4 different values of x, we got 4 different values of y. Let's go to the next problem. Next problem is pi x plus y equal to 9. So once again we'll assume different values of x and we'll get different values of y. So at let's say x equal to 0, let's see what we get. So pi into 0 plus y equal to 9. Pi into 0 is 0, it means 0 plus y equal to 9, which means y is equal to 9. Next we'll take x equal to 1. We get pi into 1 plus y equal to 9. Pi into 1 is pi plus y equal to 9. Now we can take pi on the other side, it will become negative. So y equal to 9 minus pi. I will leave it at that, okay, because pi is an irrational number and we do not know the value of that. It can be either 22 upon 7 or 3.14, but we leave it like this because all we need to do is get some solution for this, and y equal to 9 minus pi is good enough. Next we'll go to we'll take x equal to 2. We get pi into 2 plus y equal to 9. Pi into 2 is 2 pi plus y equal to 9. I'll take 2 pi on the other side and it will become negative. So 9 minus 2 pi is what we get, value of y when x is equal to 2. And lastly we'll take x equal to 3. So pi into 3 plus y equal to 9. We get here 3 pi plus y equal to 9. I'll take 3 pi on the other side, it will become negative, and we get 9 minus 3 pi. So these are the 4 solutions for the given linear equation pi x plus y equal to 9. A final problem under question 2 is x equal to 4y. Once again over here we'll assume some value, and this time we'll assume value of y rather than x. So when we assume the value, certain value of y, we'll get the value of x. So at not x, y equal to 0 we'll take first. Let's see what we get. X equal to 4 into, and instead of y we put 0. X will be 4 into 0 is 0, and that's the value where y is 0, x is also 0. Next we'll take a y equal to 1. So x into 4 into 1, that will give us x equal to 4 into 1 is 4. Next we'll take y equal to minus 1. This time x equal to 4 into minus 1, and 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. And lastly we'll take y equal to 2. Let's see what we get. X equal to 4 into 2. That means x will be equal to 4 into 2 is 8. You see, for different values of y this time we get different values of x. And with this we complete the problems in this video, that is question 1 and question 2 we have solved now from exercise 4.2. If you have liked watching this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to remain updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.